In this video, we're going to go over how to actually set up an agent. So as you can see, we already have a certain number of agents already set up. I'm going to get back to that in just a second. It's as easy as this. Takes literally 5 minutes. You go top right, click create agent. You can name it whatever you want. And then it's going to take you through a very simple configuration flow. So you can really precisely specify exactly what kind of leads you want with Flynt. So each agent can target up to 10 different job titles. So you can select with your mouse and choose from any of these pre-populated ones, whatever makes the most sense. You can also type in whatever you want. Let's do nurses. Let's do doctors. Let's type in analysts. So whatever you want, you can type it in, select the ones that drop down from the menu. You can then specify the locations, United States. You can specify by industry. So, hey, I only want companies that are hiring these roles in finance or legal or healthcare or IT or tech, right? You can do all of that. You can also then specify job types, full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, volunteer internships. You can also specify work type, remote, hybrid, on-site, etc. You can also filter by company size, minimum, maximum, or if you only want enterprise or mid-market or startup, you can just change this here as you see fit. And last but not least, before you start it, you're going to have to really tell Flynt specifically the actual titles of the ideal hiring managers, right, that are hiring for your job titles. And if you know this confidently, just type it in yourself. If you're not sure, need help, just go ahead and click this button here and give 5-7 seconds. Flynt will go ahead and accurately populate these titles based on what job titles you inputted, and then you can edit it and review just like that. You can then click this if you want AI to go level 2 deeper to really make sure it's matching the perfect titles with the job hiring managers. You can also select this to enable phones. You can also select this for campaigns as well, but let's skip through that. And then all you do is just select what time you want the leads to be sent to you, and it's as easy as